Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Kathleen Faye Tigers, 29 years old. I am single parent. I have 2 kids, 2 years old and 13 years old. I am fourth in the family. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, how old your kids? How old your kids?
2 years old and 13 years old.
And who will look for them if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother.
Your parents or your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just pray and reach out to my family.
Okay. And you're a single parent, right?
Yes.
How long you been separated with your partner?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. What is your educational attainment?
High school.
High school?
Graduate.
Did you go to college?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long you studied?
1 year.
1 year. What course did you took up
Hotel
before?
and restaurant services.
Are you an ex-abroad?
No, ma'am.
So you have experience here in the Philippines before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
2 adults and 2 children.
How old the kids?
9 and 5 years old.
9 and 5 years old. Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
Cooking, cleaning, washing, cleaning the car, do the laundry,
You take care of the kids?
and take care of the kids.
Okay, how many car you need to car wash?
1 month.
How often you do car washing?
Once a week.
Once a week. You go to market also?
Yes.
How often you do marketing?
3
3 times a day or 3 times a week?
3 times a week.
Okay. So what's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to get a job for my family's needs.
Okay, for your family. If you feel there's an emergency in the Philippines, what will you go home?
No, ma'am.
Will you promise not to go home?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes,
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
I love kids.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. It's okay for you? Your day off, you will be given only weekdays off. There's no problem with you?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to do my job well and finish my contract, ma'am, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, HL 2179.